Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook rapini Italian style. Rapini is a wonderfully bitter green, perfect for many dishes. It offers a unique flavor profile, often paired with savory ingredients. Learning this simple method will elevate your home cooking, bringing a touch of authentic Italian tradition to your table. You will discover how to transform this humble vegetable into a truly delicious and satisfying side dish, ready in less than 20 minutes. The first step to delicious rapini is proper preparation. Begin by thoroughly washing the rapini under cool running water, ensuring all grit is removed from the florets and leaves. Next, trim off about 1 inch from the very bottom of the stems. These parts are often too fibrous. For a milder taste, blanch the rapini in salted boiling water for just 2 or 3 minutes, then quickly transfer it to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. This crucial step also brightens its vibrant green color. Once your rapini is prepared, it is time to infuse it with incredible Italian flavors. Heat 2 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 3 cloves of thinly sliced garlic and a generous pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Sauté these aromatics for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn the garlic. Then, add the blanched rapini to the pan, tossing it to coat evenly. Continue to sauté the rapini for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until it is tender crisp. Season generously with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra layer of flavor, you could stir in 1/4 cup of chicken or vegetable broth, allowing it to reduce slightly. Serve this flavorful rapini hot, perhaps alongside roasted meats or as a delicious addition to a rustic Italian sandwich. Enjoy this authentic and healthy dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.